Hi, welcome to Harley Classics, and today for sale we've got the Austin 7. Just coming into the garage with a few other bits and pieces, a couple of Austin 7 vans and a couple of cars, part of a deceased estate, and we're going to sell this as a running project car. It's not perfect, it starts, it stops, but it is a project. Like a lot of cars I sell, if they're in concourse condition, I'll say they're concourse. If they're projects, they're projects. These little Austin 7s, a fantastic starter classic. Huge, massive following for these cars. Parts availability is great. The club scene's massive. They're a good classic car to get into. Personally, I think the Morrissey it's a better car, but that's me speaking. But this little Austin 7, like I say, 1933, RP Saloon, I believe. There's lots of different variants of them, but just a nice little thing. So we'll have a walk around and I'll show you a few points on it. So we'll start with the paintwork. It's been painted at some stage, obviously, and it's acceptable. It'll polish up. It's not brilliant, but it's tidy. Moving around this side, it's had a repair of some description on the bottom of the door, which again isn't perfect. Wheels and tyres look good. Moving around the back, it's got the spare there. Chrome lights are good. This side's of similar to the other side, really. The paintwork's okay, it'll polish up okay. You know, you can see your hand in it, so it's not dull. Sliding sunroof model, as you can see. What is really good in this car is the interior. The interior is nice. It's blue vinyl there. The door cards are okay. Moving round in the back. Again, back side, it's got the little travel rug on there. Basically, when we got the car, it came out of a deceased estate and been sat around for a bit. So there was a bit of recommissioning work. Under the bonnet, there you go. There's the power plant. Wouldn't pull your cap off basically, but that's what it was in them days. Little Zenith carb on there. So there you have it. It's just really a good little starter project, Austin 7. For not a lot of money really. Right, let's fire it up. There you go. So if you need any more information on the car, send us a message or give us a call, a text or an email. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You watch the YouTube channel, press the subscribe button, it helps us out. And there you go, the little Austin 7, the baby 7. Bye bye now.